Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. Last Friday, US jobs report काफी mixed था. Headline job creation was much lower than expected, but internals like the wage growth was very strong. इसी कारण डॉलर इंडेक्स में एक सेलिंग देखने को मिला, but nothing dramatic. डॉलर रुपी लास्ट एक हफ्ता से, that's the first week of 2022, it's stuck in a range. अगर स्पॉट के हिसाब से देखें तो 74.10 और 74.60 के बीच. तो माहौल क्या है? माहौल अभी ऐसा है कि RBI is intervening very aggressively in the sense it's absorbing the flows which is coming in large quantity at lower levels. ऐसा नहीं है कि RBI is just pushing prices higher. They are standing and absorbing the flows and the flows are very heavy. इसके कारण dollar rupee is unable to break down below 74 on spot. But because RBI is not pushing prices higher and there is no interest from speculators to buy dollar, इसके लिए dollar is not able to go up. तो थोड़ा सा भी ऊपर जाता है तो वहाँ से selling आ जाता है. So ये situation में how to now play the market? जब तक global sentiment is positive, मतलब जो equity markets globally and India में is moving higher, तब तक and the dollar index is still flat to a little weak. ये situation में dollar rupee is going to face selling pressure on at higher levels, which means अगर 74, 50 या 60 के आसपास spot आ गया, which will be roughly around 74, 60, 74, 80 के आसपास on the Jan futures, then it's definitely a sell. क्योंकि आपका स्टॉप लॉस काफ़ी छोटा रहेगा, 74, 85 के ऊपर रहेगा ऑन द जैन फ्यूचर्स ऑन अ डेली क्लोजिंग बेसिस. बट एट द सेम टाइम 74, 20, 25 के आसपास बेसिस जैन फ्यूचर्स देयर विल बी अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट, क्योंकि 74, 10 के नीचे ये स्पॉट के नीचे जा नहीं पा रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ RBI इंटरवेंशन. अगर किसी दिन ये इसके नीचे चला गया विद वॉल्यूम तो देन ऑब्वियसली इट्स गोइंग टू बी टर्म्ड एज अ ब्रेक डाउन एंड द fall can be much deeper, but फिलहाल 74.10 के ऊपर it is getting a lot of support. तो इसके लिए you can play this range using futures. दूसरा आप ये कर सकते हो, you can sell out of money call options definitely because the bias is still slightly downward. And तीसरा ट्रेड ये हो सकता है कि if you want to do a kind of ratio trade, क्योंकि momentum is missing but drift is downward, so you can do a ratio trade. For example, sell 2 times out of money call options and sell 1 time out of money put option. ऐसे ratio trade भी किया जा सकता है rather than just selling a strangle, क्योंकि the bias and the drift is downward. It's not absolutely a neutral market. So these are the 3 kinds of trades. Again, I'll summarize. You can sell futures on rise with a stop above 74, 80, 85 basis Jan futures. This is a more of a positional stop loss. इसके ऊपर अगर dollar rupee is trading, then we have to assume that the short term bottom is in. दूसरा trade ये हो सकता है, you can sell out of money call options. तीसरा हो सकता है, you can do ratios trades, which is basically a 2:1 trade, selling calls and puts out of money. अगर इंटरनेशनल करेंसीज के बारे में हम लोग देखें तो माय फोकस विल बी ऑन GBP/INR, क्योंकि यूके में द एक्सपेक्टेशन द इकोनॉमी इज डूइंग वेल एंड द ओमिक्रॉन स्प्रेड इज नाउ कमिंग अंडर कंट्रोल एंड द एक्सपेक्टेशन इज दैट बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड इज गोइंग टू हाइक रेट्स सेवरल टाइम्स दिस ईयर. तो ये तीनों का कॉम्बिनेशन इज गोइंग टू एंश्योर दैट GBP/INR डज क्वाइट वेल दिस ईयर. इसलिए ओवर द वेरी short term, GBP/INR, I'll be more inclined to look for buying opportunities. And GBP/INR, my structural view is that it will outperform Euro/INR. So, अगर किसी को थोड़ा सा sophisticated trade करना है, तो one can even look at doing this kind of trades like long GBP/INR and short Euro/INR as well. Before I sign off, I would like to remind you that we have a very vibrant forex community on Telegram. So kindly subscribe to our Telegram channel if you're not there. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.